Good morning. To start with, I want to say that this week was really hard for me because I had one, two, three, four practical trainings, and to get a good mark, I had to spend a long time in the library. I'm very grateful to library because it works till 11 p.m. Yes, and for the fact that there are many books which I need to study with. I'm happy as a clam that this week ended. Although this week was really brilliant. That's because the weather was sunny, it was warm, and there were no clouds in the sky. And I'm happy that I came back to my native town, Lutsk. I'm really happy. And it's great for me. Thanks for your attention and have a nice day.